Have you ever wondered if your every move, every decision, every choice you make is solely guided by your own free will? Or is there something greater influencing our thoughts and actions, leading us on a path towards our desires? Welcome to our channel, where today we dive deep into the fascinating world of free will and its relationship with manifestation. Imagine this. You wake up in the morning, determined to make positive changes in your life, to manifest your dreams and goals. But as the day goes on, obstacles appear out of nowhere, your motivation dwindles, and you're left wondering why you couldn't follow through. Could it be that there's more at play than just your own willpower? In this video, we unravel the mystical connection between free will and manifestation. We explore the possibility that our deepest desires and the forces of the universe are intertwined, shaping our every action and bringing forth the manifestation of our dreams. But how? What are the underlying mechanisms that influence our free will and guide us towards our desires? Before we continue, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel so you never miss a video that unravels the mysteries of manifestation. You don't want to miss out on the incredible insights we'll be sharing. Friends, just assume you have a wish, a desire so strong that it consumes your every thought. You dream of its fulfillment, but here's the catch. Once you assume the feeling of your wish fulfilled, there is nothing you need to do. Nothing to force or control. That's right, my friends. The illusion of free will to act is based on our ignorance of the law of assumption. Everything that happens to you and everything you do is directed by your assumptions, whether conscious or unconscious. According to Neville Goddard, the illusion of free will to act stems from our lack of understanding of the law of assumption. The law of assumption suggests that our beliefs and assumptions shape our reality and that everything we experience is a reflection of our internal state. Goddard argues that true free will lies not in our ability to physically act, but rather in choosing and assuming the mental states and beliefs that align with our desired outcomes. He suggests that we often operate on autopilot, driven by habitual thoughts and beliefs, without realizing that we have the power to consciously guide our experiences. But here's the star of the show. Understanding and embracing the law of assumption means letting go of the illusion of free will. Instead, it's about recognizing that free will is actually the freedom to select any idea you desire. When we understand and apply the law of assumption, we can deliberately shape our reality by consciously choosing and assuming the mental states that support our desired goals. Instead of being driven by external circumstances or feeling limited by our past experiences, we can take conscious control of our thoughts and beliefs, thereby exercising true free will. By assuming that your desired outcome is already a fact, you transform it into reality. You see, once you have assumed your desired outcome, free will ends, and everything unfolds in perfect harmony with your concept. It reminds me of a wise statement made by Jesus: "I can of mine own self do nothing, because I seek not mine own will, but the will of the Father which hath sent me." This brings us to the concept of God as the I Am. The Father is never in the position of saying "I will be," because creation is already finished. God's will is always "I am," while human will often lingers in the realm of "I will be," until we realize that we are the Father, the infinite I Am. And here's the breakthrough. In the law of assumption, your consciousness of being is the Father's will. Simply wishing without this consciousness is merely your own will. Let me explain this in another way. In Neville Goddard's book, The Power of Awareness, the statement "your consciousness of being is the Father's will" refers to the idea that our state of consciousness, or what we believe and assume to be true about ourselves, is ultimately aligned with the divine will or higher power. Now you know, our assumptions and beliefs create the circumstances and experiences we encounter in our lives. Therefore, when we align our consciousness with the will of God, we are essentially aligning our thoughts and beliefs with the highest and most divine possibilities. This alignment doesn't imply a lack of free will. Instead, it suggests that when we make conscious choices in line with our understanding of the divine will, we are more likely to manifest the outcomes we desire. We have the freedom to choose our assumptions and beliefs, and by consciously aligning them with God's will, we tap into an immense creative power. But how to align our thoughts with the God's will? Regular meditation and visualization exercises can indeed be powerful tools for strengthening your connection with the divine and enhancing your ability to align your thoughts with the divine's thoughts. Let's explore this in more detail. Meditation is a practice that allows you to focus your mind and achieve a state of mental clarity and peace. Through meditation, you can quiet your thoughts, calm your emotions, and enter a state of deep relaxation. This relaxed state is conducive to connecting with the divine. During meditation, you can set an intention to connect with the divine and open yourself up to receiving divine guidance and inspiration. By clearing your mind and being fully present, you create the space for the divine's energy to flow through you, helping you to cultivate a deeper connection. Visualization is a technique that involves using your imagination to create and experience specific mental images. It can be a powerful tool for aligning your thoughts with the divine's thoughts. Through visualization, you can vividly imagine yourself in a state of union with the divine. You can visualize yourself surrounded by divine light, feeling the love and wisdom of the divine flowing through you. This visualization helps to strengthen your connection by creating a mental image of being in harmony with the divine. By visualizing positive outcomes, you also align your thoughts with the divine's thoughts. For example, if you are seeking guidance on a particular issue, you can visualize yourself receiving clear and insightful guidance from the divine. This visualization assists in aligning your thoughts with divine wisdom and allows you to make decisions in alignment with your highest good. Understanding the power of assuming your desired outcome is fundamental in manifesting your desires. It's important to grasp that your assumptions shape your reality. So, from this point forward, let your assumptions align with your desired outcome. Embrace the present moment and the consciousness of being. Let go of the idea of personal will and surrender to the will of the infinite I Am. As we conclude this intriguing journey into the realm of free will, remember the powerful words, "Not my will, but thine be done." This, my friends, is the perfect statement of the law of assumption. Here we conclude our today's discussion. If you enjoyed this video and found it valuable, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel to stay updated with more insightful content. We would love to hear your thoughts in the comment section below. Share your experiences and let us know how the law of assumption has transformed your life. And as you continue on your manifestation journey, may God's blessings guide and support you every step of the way. Until we meet again in our next video, keep manifesting, my friends.